Okay, so I'm all set. Wine and cheese, something really popular in the French culture. But did you know that India also has its own wine wonderland? A city known for its numerous temples, adventure spots and various vineyards. Welcome to the wine capital of India, Nashik. How much wine is too much wine? Look at it! नाशिकमध्ये मिसळ पाव झणझणीत. कैसा काय मुंबई? आई एम श्योर कि आप थोड़े तो शॉक्ड होंगे ना कि मैं मुंबई में क्या कर रही हूँ। यार आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग शूट स्केड्यूल मुझे थोड़ा समय मिला है घर आने का और थोड़ा ब्रीदर लेने का, लेकिन मेरे अंदर भी एक चुल है ना, मतलब घर पे तो बैठना ही नहीं है, स्केट्स लगे हुए हैं मेरे पैर में। तो अब मैं जा रही हूँ वीकेंड गेटअवे पे। कहाँ जा रही हूँ? आई विल टेल यू शॉर्टली। फर्स्ट लेट्स गो। And we Mumbaikars have enough of getaway spots, but I wanted to go to one place that has it all. Whether it's nature, spirituality, adventure, you ask and it's right there. और कौन सी जगह ऐसी हो सकती है? You're right, it's Nashik. पर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं नासिक जाने के लिए इतनी excited क्यों हूँ? That is because I have a really cool companion on this trip, and that is my all-new Mahindra Thar the Earth Edition. Just look at the color of this गाड़ी यार, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं थार डेजर्ट से स्ट्रेट ऑफ रोडिंग करते करते स्ट्रेट अपने घर पहुंच गई हूँ। और अब मैं जा रही हूँ नासिक, and I don't want to waste a single minute because I'm so excited to drive this one. Looks like everybody's eyes are glued to my SUV today. You know, I'm always used to being in the spotlight, but today I don't mind sharing the spotlight with my SUV. Its iconic design and irresistible charm makes it the ultimate head turner on Indian roads. And I can't help feeling proud cruising around in a made in India SUV. This iconic SUV stands out in a unique satin matte dune beige color called Desert Fury, complemented by silver alloy wheels and matte black badge. तो सफर बहुत ही लंबा होने वाला है यार। इट्स लंच टाइम एंड अगर आप थाने क्रॉस कर रहे हैं तो पेट पूजा तो बनती है ना, एंड व्हाट बेटर देन जस्ट कमिंग टू अ महाराष्ट्र लंच होम एंड हैविंग अ नाइस फिश थाली। Finally, the destination. But you know what? I'm not as tired as I thought I would be, and that's thanks to my all-new Mahindra Thar the Earth Edition. And because of this car, I have had a makhan drive to one of my favorite places in Maharashtra, and that is I'm at my favorite place, as I said earlier. It's called the Sula Vineyards. I have a really interesting point about this place, and that is that the Sula Vineyards was actually the first vineyard company established in Maharashtra in 1999. And here onwards, it's done absolutely fantastic. So अब मैं अपने room जाऊँगी because I have an action-packed itinerary tomorrow as usual. But now it's time for some vino. It is some time for some dinnero and some time for a sleepo. Good night. Tada. See you tomorrow. Good morning everybody and welcome to the city of Nashik. आज एक बहुत ही प्यारा दिन है और मुझे लगा कि आज के दिन की शुरुआत मुझे भगवान के नाम से करनी चाहिए। तो मैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल जगह पर आई हूँ और जगह का नाम है त्र्यंबकेश्वर मंदिर। त्र्यंबकेश्वर टेम्पल की मान्यता ये है कि ये 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों में से एक ज्योतिर्लिंग है। और इसकी मान्यता इसलिए ज्यादा है और ये थोड़ा अलग इसलिए है क्योंकि ये 3 मुखी ज्योतिर्लिंग है। ब्रह्मा, विष्णु और शिव जी की स्थापना यहाँ पर हुई है। This was built in the mid 18th century and this is at the foothills of the Brahmagiri hills. आज एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दिन है। आज के दिन का नाम हुआ है प्रदोष। तो आज बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ है मंदिर में एंड दिस इज कम इवन ऑन अ वीकेंड व्हिच इज अ फ्राइडे। तो जाहिर सी बात है भीड़ तो होने वाली थी, बट प्रदोष सीम्स टू बी अ डे वेयर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम। उनकी बहुत मान्यता होती है इस दिन पर। सो आई थिंक द दर्शन इज गोइंग टू बी क्वाइट लॉट ऑफ धक्का, बट दर्शन तो होंगे। यार दर्शन में मेरे लाजवाब, मतलब कि सेकंड टाइम मैं आई हूँ त्र्यंबकेश्वर टेम्पल और जब भी मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ मेरे दर्शन बहुत प्यारे होते हैं। उनका ही बुलावा था, उन्हीं की वजह से इतनी जल्दी दर्शन हुए और इतना प्यारा अभिषेक हुआ है आज। But now it's time for some adventure. After such a lovely morning, I want to shake up my day a little. And Nasik is known for its boating. वो कहाँ होती है, कैसे होती है, वहाँ पर मैं आपको लेकर चलती हूँ। So let's go. पहुंच गए जी। तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी कोई किसी बोटिंग क्लब में आता है तो मतलब वहाँ पर सिर्फ बोटिंग होती है, सीरीन वाटर्स, पीसफुल सनसेट्स वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। बट यू नो समथिंग, आई लाइक द बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ वर्ल्ड्स। और इस जगह पे जहाँ पर मैं आई हूँ इसका नाम है MTDC बोट क्लब और यहाँ पर आप जेट स्की कर सकते हैं, आप बहुत सारे वाटर स्पोर्ट्स कर सकते हैं और वो चीज़ें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेस्ट एक्चुअली द बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ वर्ल्ड्स एंड आई एम गोना सी व्हाट कैन आई डू हियर टुडे। सो लेट्स गो। चलिए जी, टिकट तो मैंने ले लिया है, लेकिन जब आप कैसे एडवेंचर स्पॉट्स करते हैं, वाटर स्पॉट्स वगैरह वगैरह, सो यू हैव टू बी ड्रेस्ड अप्रोप्रिएटली। मैं जल्दी से चेंज करके आती हूँ, then I'm going to go straight at it. The MTDC Boat Club, run by Maharashtra Tourism, is located just outside Nasik, about 16 kilometers from the city center, and is located on the banks of the Gangapur Dam. It is one of the best places for adventure junkies like me, as you can try some exciting water sport activities. यहाँ पर food court और बच्चों के लिए play area भी है, which makes it a perfect picnic spot. All right, ready to rock and roll with my next adventure. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Out, everything was fine till he went there and he came back. उसके बाद उसने चप्पल लेने शुरू किए, मेरी जान निकल गई. I'm fully wet, but it is quite fun. I'm imagining काफी लोग मतलब इसको enjoy करते हैं. I also enjoyed it. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने enjoy नहीं किया, but I was really scared. But yeah, I think it was fun. I think I've done jet ski at this place for the first time. Although I've come here twice, but boating की है मैंने. But jet ski का एक अपना ही मजा है. It's got like its own thrill, and it was quite fun. Wow, what is this? ये क्या है? रस्सा. तो यार सुबह से मतलब मैं सुच्चे मुंह गई थी त्र्यंबकेश्वर, क्योंकि मैं कभी खाना खा के नहीं जाती मंदिर, और मुझे अब इतनी भूख लग रही थी एंड आई वाज लाइक कि यार यहाँ पर कुछ लोकल क्विजीन ट्राई करनी चाहिए. सो देयर इज अ लोकल रेस्टोरेंट आउट हियर एंड मैंने सुना यहाँ पर आकर अगर आप मिसल पाव ना खाओ देन यू आर रियली लूजिंग आउट ऑन समथिंग. और ये लोग मिट्टी के चूल्हे के ऊपर अपना रस्सा बनाते हैं, पर जितने भी बर्तन हैं वो भी मिट्टी के हैं. सो ये आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू ईट दिस. मिसल पाव नाशिक मध्ये झणझणीत. Now I'm back to my property and now it's time to go on a tour of this bustling property and see the process of making wine at this winery from grape to glass. The Source at Sula is a peaceful retreat in nature with about 67 rooms of different types like courtyard rooms, vintage rooms, grand crew rooms, tree houses and suites. Along with comfortable accommodations, the culinary experience at this destination is exceptional. Additionally, guests can enjoy a complimentary tour and wine tasting experience. Sula is actually one of my favorite destinations. This is a place I really like to relax. You know, I don't make it hectic. My trips, usually I'm such a hectic person in general. And my favorite wine, I think Sula ki hai, is the Source Chenin Blanc because I love white wines. But the Source has actually some of the best wines and some of my favorite wines. I have such a cute, elegant setup right here for me. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you? He's my friend. Please say hello. I always come and he always does this most fantastic wine tasting for me. So what are we having today?
We are having 6 best.
Oh yes, as usual. He's like as usual because he knows how much I love wines. And I love Sula wines. So come on, let's start. So Moscato actually remains one of my favorite wines, and I think it was launched like very recently. I've always bought crates and crates of it because I think it's been such an instant hit, because every time I give somebody a Moscato, they really ask me about it. So this is a clear recommendation. If you ever want to look for a wine which you really like and a Moscato that you really love, then I would recommend a Sula Moscato. Cheers. I always get excited to see the wine making process. And if you book a stay here, you can enjoy a complimentary tour and wine tasting experience. So let's go and check it out. This is one of my favorite sundowner experiences at Sula Vineyards, and now it's time for some Pet Puja. What a fun day I've had today. Now I'm going to wind up my day with the most incredible meal. And can I tell you something honestly? Not because I'm a patron of Sula and I love coming to this place, but because I really enjoy my food at Sula the most. I think at Nasik, if this is the place I need to recommend, because you can do a sundowner, you can look at the sun going down while having your wine and eating some incredible meals, this is the place to be. So I'm going to wind up my day. I'm going to have some really nice fun meal, but tomorrow I have a really action-packed day. What it is, I'm not going to tell you now, but you're going to find out. So let me enjoy my meal and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning everybody, day 3 Nasik, and finally I'm doing something that I absolutely truly love doing, and anybody who knows me really well knows how much I love the outdoor, I love having new skill sets, and I love different adventures. Hanji, so since Mahindra is known for making authentic SUVs, it's only fair to test their mettle at the Mahindra Adventure Off-Road Training Academy right here in Igatpuri, where they teach and train people who love adventure the art of off-roading and give them an experience of a lifetime. So I'm really excited about today. Off I go. Alright, so I'm at India's first certified off-road driving academy in Maharashtra to dabble my hand at off-road driving. This is Thar's playground, and I'm here to conquer and tackle all the obstacles that Igatpuri has to offer. Situated amidst the backdrop of Western Ghats, the PFB Off-Road Academy is spread across 20 acres of natural and challenging terrain. A mecca for off-roaders across the country. A fleet of Thar 4x4s are ready to put your driving skill to test. If you are ready to challenge yourself, check out the Mahindra Adventure website and book yourself an experience you will remember for a lifetime. It's time to get muddy in my all-new Mahindra Thar, the Earth Edition. Time to explore the impossible with a splash of mud. Beginner off-road enthusiasts can take part in a one-day elementary course designed to simplify the learning process and allow participants to enjoy 4x4 driving in a safe and controlled setting. The course features 30 obstacles to navigate through, with the 4L mode ensuring power distribution to all wheels for optimal traction. really didn't think I could make this, but thank you so much, Ryan.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much. So Ryan, now tell us, how long have you been working with Mahindra? What is this whole thing? How many people come here? What is this all about?
So the academy started in 2012. The idea was to train people how to off-road. With the launch of the new Thar, a lot of more people took up off-roading as a recreation, as a sport, as a hobby, and they needed an avenue to come and test their skills, to test the car. So the academy is a place where we teach people the art of off-roading and also, a lot of technical stuff about the car to understand the vehicle.
Right.
And we do multiple courses at the academy, from single-day courses to two-day courses, and the level keeps going up.
Right.
So a lot of people have been coming in over the years. Now we train about 1,000 to 1,500 people in a year.
Wow.
So that is.
So that means off-roading is a really popular sport now.
It has become a lot of.
Yeah.
It has picked up a lot. In fact, earlier with the older Thar, they were, it was still a mushrooming culture. Now there are over 500 clubs, off-road clubs across the country.
Wow.
So there are a lot of people that are making smaller groups, going off-roading, taking it up as a weekend activity. So
It really is, and I think it's all because the car is so well designed. This SUV is absolutely fantastically designed for terrains like this. But tell me something, can you drive an all-new Thar Mahindra even on snow and other terrains?
This is one of those vehicles where you can take it off-roading and then you can drive it back home, nothing happens to the car.
Wow.
So be it snow, be it sand, be it
it's an all-weather, all-terrain SUV.
All-terrain.
But thank you so much, Ryan.
Thank
I
you.
had an
It was a
absolutely
pleasure having
fantastic
you.
time, and
Yes.
thank you for showing so much confidence in me, which I did not have.
Confidence in the car and you.
And thanks.
Yes.
Confidence in my all-new Mahindra Thar, the Earth Edition.
Yes.
Chalo, thank you so much. But
Thanks.
Thanks. It was an adventurous weekend getaway in Maharashtra. From going to a Jyotirlinga temple, that is the Trimbakeshwar temple, to trying out water sports, to finally going to a vineyard and sipping all sorts of wines, to actually finally doing something that has been on my bucket list for years, and that is off-roading at the Mahindra Off-Roading Training Academy. This weekend was absolutely perfect because it was such a refreshing break from my usual routine. Adventure is for everyone, but the best way to experience it is in a 4x4. And this beauty right here is an iconic symbol of freedom and adventure. With its rugged design and unbeatable road presence, the Thar made this trip an unforgettable journey. And with this, the season 3 of the Solo Female Traveller comes to an end. This is your Solo Female Traveller, Ahana Kumra, bidding you goodbye. I'm going to see you in the next season.